Come on. We're gonna go. Sally, come on. Come on,
Do you
Sally.
think they'll start a fight?
We'll see. This way we don't waste it, okay?
Look.
Look like Hoovers.
Look at them. You think they're gonna get a go fight?
This is like Pac-Man or something.
Woo! At least it's Jackie's food, so she won't get all
Oh, is it? Okay.
diarrhea.
Yeah. I was gonna say.
Sally! My God, look at them.
I know.
They're not taking a breath. There's one right there.
Hmm? Oh. There's two, actually. Yeah. Oh.
Well, they're having a good day today.
Woo! Oh my gosh, that is like watching goats or something.
Mhm.
She does sound like a pig eating, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Probably a similar snap, snap.
Yeah.
What's a couple behind you?
That's how they got them.
Yay! You guys are gonna throw up. That was all.
See, I told you, it's not more efficient than throwing it away
Yeah.
or having to sweep it up.
Hope they don't have an upset tummy.
Alright. Put them back now.
They even ate the dust. Sally.
So big.
Sally, I think you did it. Yeah, okay, Aaron, 2 hands.
Huh?
For now on, 2 hands, not gonna carry it with. I did one of these things, Aaron, like this. And like this, Aaron, I picked it up and I slipped
Mm-hmm.
and it let go.
Yeah.
I have one.
Just like your mom does. I was just like your mom. Oh, hello. Yeah.